You walk into a restaurant. The waiter comes to your table. He smiles and asks, "Are you ready to order?" And you freeze. You know what you want, but the English words do not come. You feel embarrassed. You feel nervous. You point at the menu and say, "This one, does this sound familiar?" Maybe you love eating at restaurants, but ordering in English feels scary. Today I will change that. By the end of this episode, you will know how to enter a restaurant in English. You will know how to read a menu in English. You will know how to order your food politely. And you will know how to ask for the bill. My name is Marco, English for beginners. I am your English coach. I am your English friend. Let us begin. Together, before we start the lesson, I want to tell you something very important. You do not need perfect English in a restaurant. Say that with me. I do not need perfect English. Again, louder this time. I do not need perfect English. Waiters and restaurant staff hear many languages. They are used to simple English. They want to help you. A simple sentence with a smile is enough. Mistakes are completely normal. Every mistake is a step forward. Mistakes help me learn and grow. Marco's personal story. Let me tell you a real story. My story. A few years ago, I visited a new city. I was alone. I was hungry. I found a nice restaurant near my hotel. I walked in. I sat down. The waiter came. He smiled. He said, "What would you like to order?" I panicked. I looked at the menu. So many words. Starters, main course, sides, desserts. I did not know what to say first. I said, "Chicken, please." The waiter said, "Which chicken dish, sir?" I pointed at the menu like a child. Have you ever felt like that? I left that restaurant feeling embarrassed. But that night, I made a decision. I sat down and I wrote restaurant phrases. Simple phrases. Short phrases. I practiced them out loud. Alone. In my room. Again and again. Every single night. 2 weeks later, I went back to that same restaurant. The same waiter was there. He came to my table. He smiled. He said, "What would you like to order?" And this time, I answered clearly, "I would like the grilled chicken, please. And for drinks, I will have water." "Thank you." The waiter smiled and said, "Excellent choice, sir." That moment gave me so much confidence. And today, I am giving you that same confidence. Before we start the lesson, say these with me. I can order food in English. I practice every day. Every day I get better. Excellent. Now you are ready. Let us begin. This episode works in 3 simple ways. Just listen. Relax. Do not speak yet. Let English enter your ears naturally. Your brain is learning even when you are quiet. Listen to me, then speak with me at the same time. Same speed, same rhythm. Copy how I say the words. Let us try shadowing right now. A table for 2, please. I would like the chicken, please. Did you say it out loud? Excellent. I say a sentence. You say it back. Out loud, not in your head, with your mouth. Your mouth needs practice. Your tongue needs exercise. Thinking English is not enough. Speaking is what matters. You are safe here. Take your time. There is no rush. Pause the video after each sentence if you need to. Imagine this. You are hungry. You find a nice restaurant. You open the door and walk in. What do you say first? First, you greet the staff. Very simple. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Then you ask for a table. A table for 1, please. A table for 2, please. A table for 3, please. Do you have a table for 4? The staff will say, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please." Then you sit down at your table. Sometimes they ask, "Do you have a reservation?" Reservation means you booked the table before. "Yes, I have a reservation." "No, I do not have a reservation. We are a walk-in. Is that okay?" Staff, good evening. Welcome. Marco, good evening. A table for 2, please. Staff, of course. Do you have a reservation? Marco, no, we do not. Is that okay? Staff, yes, no problem. This way, please. Marco, thank you very much. Staff, here is your table. Please sit down. Marco, Thank you. This is lovely. Now shadow this conversation with me. A table for two, please. No, we do not have a reservation. Thank you very much. Vocab. Reservation, booking a table before you arrive, walk in, coming. Without a booking this way, follow me in this direction. Subsection 1 recap. We learned, greet the staff, ask for a table, respond about reservation. Now we are sitting. Time to look at the menu. Reading the menu. The staff give you a menu. You open it. You see many words. Let me explain the menu sections. First section, starters. Starters are small dishes you eat first, like soup, salad, or bread. Starters are the first small dishes. Second section, main course. The main course is the big dish, like chicken, fish, pasta, or rice. The main course is the biggest dish. Third section, desserts. Desserts are sweet dishes at the end, like cake, ice cream, or fruit. Desserts are sweet. You eat them last. Fourth section, drinks. Water, juice, tea, coffee, or soda. I would like a glass of water, please. Sometimes you need more time to decide. Can I have the menu, please? Just a minute, please. I need a little more time, please. Looking at the menu. Waiter. Good evening. Here is your menu. Marco. Thank you. Can I have a moment, please? Waiter. Of course. Take your time. Marco. What is the soup of the day? Waiter. Today it is tomato soup. Marco. That sounds good. Thank you. Waiter. Are you ready to order now? Marco. Yes, I think so. Thank you. Can I have a moment, please? What is the soup of the day? I think I am ready to order. Vocab. Starter small, first dish, main course big, central dish, dessert sweet, and dish soup of the day, today's special soup. Subsection 2 recap. We learn menu words. Starters, main course, desserts, drinks. We learn how to ask for more time. Now let us order our food. The waiter comes to your table. He asks, "Are you ready to order?" Now it is your turn. What do you say? The most polite way to order is, "I would like," or shorter, "I will have." Both are correct. Both are natural. I would like the chicken, please. I would like the tomato soup to start. I will have the pasta, please. I will have a glass of orange juice. Can I have the fish, please? For my main course, I would like the steak. Always say please. It is very important. Please makes you sound polite and friendly. Sometimes the waiter asks extra questions. How would you like your steak? Rare, medium, or well done? Medium, please. Would you like fries or salad with that? Fries, please. Any allergies I should know about? No allergies, thank you. Ordering food. Waiter. Are you ready to order? Marco. Yes. I would like the tomato soup to start. Waiter. Excellent. And for your main course? Marco. I will have the grilled chicken, please. Waiter. Would you like fries or salad with that? Marco. Fries, please. Waiter. Perfect. Anything to drink? Marco. Yes. I will have a glass of water, please. I would like the tomato soup to start. I will have the grilled chicken, please. Fries, please. And a glass of water. Vocab. I would like polite way to order grill cooked on fire or grill allergies foods that make you sick. Subsection 3 recap. We learned, I would like, I will have, can I have. We learn how to answer the waiter's extra questions. Food is coming. Now, let us talk about during the meal. During the meal, your food arrives. The waiter puts it on your table. He smiles and says, "Enjoy your meal." You say, "Thank you." During the meal, the waiter may come back. He asks, "Is everything okay?" Or, "How is your food?" If the food is good, you say, "Yes, everything is great. Thank you. It is delicious. Thank you. Everything is perfect." If you need something extra, say, "Excuse me, can I have some more water, please?" "Excuse me, can I have some more bread, please?" "Excuse me, can I have some extra sauce, please?" "Excuse me, could I have another fork, please?" Excuse me is very important. Say, "Excuse me" first to get the waiter's attention. Then make your request politely. During the meal, waiter, "Is everything okay with your food?" Marco, "Yes, it is delicious. Thank you." Waiter, wonderful. Do you need anything else? Marco, excuse me, can I have some more water, please? Waiter, of course. Right away. Marco, thank you so much. Waiter, my pleasure. Enjoy your meal. Marco, thank you. It is really wonderful. Yes, it is delicious. Thank you. Excuse me, can I have some more water? Thank you so much. It is wonderful. Vocab, delicious, very, very tasty, extra more than what you have, my pleasure. I am happy to help you. Subsection 4 recap. We learn how to respond when waiter asks about food. We learn how to ask for extra things during the meal. Meal is finished. Time to pay. Your meal is finished. You are full and happy. Now it is time to pay. How do you ask for the bill in English? First, get the waiter's attention. Say, excuse me. Then ask for the bill. Excuse me. Can I have the bill, please? Excuse me. The check, please. Could we have the bill when you are ready? Bill and check mean the same thing. In the UK, people say bill. In the USA, people say check. Both are correct and understood everywhere. The waiter brings a small paper with the total. You can pay with cash or card. Can I pay by card? Do you accept credit cards? Here you are. Keep the change. When you leave the restaurant, be polite. Thank you. The food was wonderful. Thank you. We really enjoyed it. Goodbye. Have a great evening. Marco, excuse me. Can I have the bill, please? Waiter, of course. Here you are, sir. Marco, thank you. Can I pay by card? Waiter, yes, of course. Here's a card machine. Marco, thank you. The food was absolutely delicious. Waiter, thank you so much. We're glad you enjoyed it. Marco, we will definitely come back. Goodbye. Waiter, thank you. Have a wonderful evening. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? The food was absolutely delicious. Vocab. Bill the paper, show what you owe. Check American word for bill. Keep the change, the extra money is yours. We learned how to ask for the bill, pay, and say goodbye. You now know the complete restaurant conversation. You have worked so hard today. Let us review the most important sentences. Repeat every sentence after me. Entering. A table for two, please. Do you have a table for us? No, we do not have a reservation. Ordering. I would like a tomato soup, please. I will have the grilled chicken, please. Can I have a glass of water, please? Just a minute, please. I need more time. During the meal, it is delicious. Thank you. Excuse me, can I have some more water? Everything is perfect. Thank you. Paying. Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? The food was wonderful. Thank you. Now, one final full shadowing practice. A complete restaurant visit in 6 sentences. A table for two, please. I would like a tomato soup to start. I will have the grilled chicken for my main. Excuse me, can I have more water, please? Can I have the bill, please? The food was absolutely delicious. Thank you. That is a complete restaurant conversation. Beautiful, natural, confident English. Your homework tonight, just one small thing. Practice these sentences out loud at home. Imagine you are in a restaurant right now. Say, a table for two, please. I would like the chicken. Just practice. Alone, at home, out loud. You are not the same person who pressed play today. You know real restaurant English now. You are improving every single day. Let me say something important before you go. The next time you walk into a restaurant, you will not freeze. You will not point at the menu. You will smile at the waiter and say, a table for two, please. That small moment will feel amazing. I promise you. Small steps, every single day. That is the secret to learning English. I am proud of you. Truly, not everyone takes action. But you did. You watched. You repeated. You practiced. That makes you special. Think of one friend who wants to learn English. Share this video with that one friend. And please subscribe to Easy English for Beginners. New episodes every week. Just for you. Take care, my friend. Keep going. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Bye-bye.